Hey, my name is Michael Costa. I'm a And
on my way out, how do I tell that bottom feeder Larry Hindle what I really think about him?
Hey, my name is Michael Costa. I'm a photographer based out of Mississauga, Canada. And yeah, we're champions, by the way. Just wanted to bring that up. Sneak that in there. And the point of this channel is for us to grow and learn together as photographers. I am a growing, emerging lifestyle photographer and I can't wait to be there, but I'm not there yet. So I'm sharing my hurdles, sharing my wins, and odds are you're also a growing photographer. So let's grow and learn together. Leave your comments down below. But let's get started with today's video. So today we're going to talk about something that kind of irritates me a little bit. That is when people go to meetups and they just like hover over the 4 or 5 other people and they take the same photo. The same damn photo. You can take better photos. You can walk out with the best photos out of anyone there. 40, 50 people. You can have the best photos. Here's how. What I've learned to do personally is spend less time looking down the viewfinder and more time observing my surroundings. Maybe the model's really athletic and she's gonna do or he's gonna do a backflip. Everyone's got their machine guns ready, right? But what's that gonna accomplish when everyone's gonna have the same photo? One thing I'm a really big fan of, I'll show you some photos right here, is lens obstruction. Now, that's not a commonly used term, it's just kind of the best way I know to describe it. I'm basically creating a greater depth of field. So there's the background, right? And then there's the model, but I wanted to add something in front of my lens to create that bokeh in front. Now you're creating an even greater depth of field and it looks really cool. And sometimes you get these really cool colors, and if you're smart, maybe you're shooting a model like this one here, standing up on this sort of cement platform and everyone was triggering away, right? Machine guns are out shooting. I stopped, I looked down and I saw a yellow leaf and I thought, huh, well, maybe this will look good. And I took the photo and hey, it looked good. I went to a meetup and I came out with a bunch of photos. I'm gonna show a few more of them here. No one else got these photos. I love that fact, okay? Don't settle for a worse version of the photo that everyone else is getting because they've already clogged the front and now you're off on this weird angle and you're trying to get around the lamppost. Don't restrict yourself. You drove or you subwayed or you walked to this place. If your main objective is to take photos, don't settle for that. And guess what? That model will love you for it, okay? Look, there are like 20 to 30 people just hovering over each other, taking photos, not saying a single word while the model just does this. Don't get me wrong, the model's gonna move around, do her own thing, but like after a few minutes, the model's kind of like,
what do you want me to do?
Yeah, like him or her are not a big fan of that scenario, okay? They want instruction because not only is this taking them out of this stagnant kind of procedure, but also they know it might result in a better, unique image. The other thing too is you're gonna get more intimate photos with your models. Don't worry about everyone else. You gotta have all those people there, but like, you're not shooting for them, you're shooting for you. Let everyone take the same photos. After a minute of the same photos being taken, they can't be mad at you. They've gotten the same photo 20 times. They've occupied a good amount of space on their SD card for no reason, really. You can go up to that model and say, hey, sorry, is it cool if I just get one photo? So number one, be unconventional. Don't be afraid to miss a shot for a unique and even better shot. Number two, engage with your models. Those are my tips. Hope you all found value in this video. I think it's a good one to have. I think it's a good conversation to have because I was that person standing next to 5 Bobs, a Janine, and a Jack, getting the same photo, you know, hugging a tree, being like, oh, I'm getting the same photo, but from a way worse angle right now. But maybe you won't have to do that anymore. Follow these tips. Share it if you know someone like Jack or Janine or Bob or whatever the names were I came up with 2 seconds ago that I can't seem to remember. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. I'm gonna end the video now. Again, like, subscribe, share it if you know someone that might find value in this video or if you just liked it in general. And I'll see you next time.